Today's digital calendars do a really good job of organizing the work other people give you. I tried organizing my own life in the Google Calendar, it never really worked. Recently, I discovered this amazing app called Roam Research and I tried using that as a calendar. To my surprise, I was getting a lot more done and it even helped me keep track of my daily habits. In this video, I'm going to talk about how I use Roam Research as a calendar and why I think you should be doing it too. For starters, I prefer having everything in a single place. With Roam Research, it already replaced my writing app and to-do list app, so why can't it do the same for the calendar? Turns out it can. Building this calendar itself is pretty straightforward. It's the default table function. So you can just start out a table like this and start building out the time and the day and add tasks in between. Of course, you don't want to be doing this every day. So I have a version created in the metadata. So every day I just go in here and I copy this entire thing and paste it. The next thing I do is look at my master to-do list, which pulls in all my to-dos from across all different pages. So this is a simple query which pulls in all my to-dos and ignores everything that's already on the calendar. So I know that I have to do this video today. So I drag this and drop somewhere, and I also know that I have to publish a book summary. So this kind of helps you understand how much you have pending, and also this format of the calendar keeps it realistic. For example, if I slowly start seeing this fill up, I know that I don't have much time for me to get stuff done. So if I keep trying to stuff things into this page, you can quickly see that it gets out of hand, which is a visual reminder that I'm probably doing too many things at the same time. If you do want to cram things into your calendar, you could try splitting it like this. Oops. And try scheduling multiple things. But you'll see that the extra layer of friction ensures that you don't do it often. And this gives you a realistic view of how much time you have in the day and what you can get done. And it's also easy to move things around when you get to it. For example, if I didn't get to publish this video at 11, I could simply move it to a later time in the day. And when you get to the end of the day and you realize you haven't done something, you can also easily schedule it for tomorrow. And now that will start showing up on tomorrow's calendar where you go in and repeat this entire thing. So I just started my journey into Roam Research and I'm figuring my way out. And this is one thing that I found really useful and I wanted to share it with everyone.